my first bicycle. It was a bright Sunday morning. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. Outside my window, I woke up early because it was a very special day. My father had promised me something that I had wanted for a long time. I quickly got out of bed and ran to the living room. My father was standing near the door, with a big smile on his face. "Good morning," he said. "Are you ready for your surprise?" "Yes, Dad," I said excitedly. He opened the door, and there it was, a beautiful new bicycle. I could not believe my eyes. It was my first bicycle. It was simple, but it looked perfect. To me, I touched the handle, checked the wheels, and rang the small bell. "Thank you, Dad," I shouted happily. My father smiled and said, "Now you have to learn how to ride it." I was excited, but I was also a little nervous. I had never ridden a bicycle before. We went to a quiet road near our house. My father held the back of the bicycle while I sat on the seat. "Keep your eyes forward," he said. "Hold the handle tightly and slowly move the pedals." I took a deep breath and started pedaling. At first, I moved very slowly. The bicycle shook from side to side, and I was afraid of falling. My father ran beside me and helped me keep my balance. "Don't worry," he said. "You can do it." I tried again and again. After about 30 minutes, something amazing happened. My father slowly let go of the bicycle. I was riding by myself. "Dad, look," I shouted. He was standing behind me and clapping his hands. I felt so happy and proud. The wind touched my face as I rode down the road. For the first time, I felt completely free. But suddenly I forgot to slow down. I turned the handle too quickly, and the bicycle stopped near a small tree. I did not get hurt, but I was surprised. My father came to me and asked, "Are you okay?" "Yes," I said with a smile. He helped me get back on the bicycle. "Falling is part of learning," he told me. "The important thing is to try again." His words gave me courage. I practiced for another hour. By the afternoon, I could ride, stop, and turn without help. When we returned home, I parked my bicycle. Near the door, I looked at it and smiled. That day, I learned more than just how to ride a bicycle. I learned that new things can be scary at first, but practice and patience can make them easier. My first bicycle was not just a gift from my father. It was the beginning of a new adventure. Even today, whenever I see that bicycle, I remember my first ride, my father's encouraging words, and the feeling of freedom I had on that beautiful Sunday morning. Thanks for watching.